Welcome to VeeSpark. In this tutorial, we'll use clip mode to turn a short story into structured video clips. We'll be using the classic tale of Little Red Riding Hood as our example throughout. So let's dive in. To get started, you'll need to create a project from the VeeSpark homepage. This gives you a central place to manage your entire workflow. I've already created a project called Little Red Riding Hood. Let's open it and navigate to the storyboard section. Now comes the magic. Paste or upload your script directly into the text field. Here, we're using a short version of our Little Red Riding Hood story. Just a few minutes of dialogue and stage directions. VeeSpark's AI immediately analyzes your script. It scans for dialogue speakers, character names, and action descriptions. Then it automatically segments your story into individual clips. Each segment becomes one independent video clip unit. After auto-splitting, you'll see your story laid out as a list of segments, organized by scene. Take a moment to review the segments. Read through the titles, descriptions, and associated characters. This is where you have full creative control. Before we generate any video, we need to set up our characters globally. This is important. This ensures that every time Little Red Riding Hood appears in your story, whether she's in Act 1, Act 3, or Act 5, she looks exactly the same. Go to the asset library. Browse the available character models. Find the version you want for each character. In our case, we're choosing a three-dimensional cartoon version of Little Red in a red dress. Once you select a character asset, you need to bind its asset ID. This ID is a unique identifier that tells VeeSpark, every time I mention at Little Red in a segment, use this specific character asset. Now let's configure an individual segment using the shot editor. Let's work on Act 3, the confrontation scene where Little Red encounters the wolf. Open the shot editor for this segment. You'll see several controls. Let's go through them. First, Smart Cut control. This lets you choose how many cuts you want in this segment. Now, you don't need to be an artist. A quick sketch works fine. Show character positions. Show the camera angle. Show basic staging. VeeSpark has everything it needs to generate a perfect Act 3. Click the Generate button. This is the power of clip mode. You have granular control over every detail of each segment. After generation, if you want to refine a specific shot, use reference to video. And that's how you use clip mode in VeeSpark. So try it out. Create your first clip mode project. Bring your stories to life. We can't wait to see what you create.
Like, subscribe, and check out our next tutorial for more tips.